Hi friends, most welcome to MATLAB Latex Software channel. Friends, I am Ashraf Lee and today we'll discuss about configuring the Latex Math menu in advanced option. The Math Latex menu can be adapted to user likings. For this menu, items can be renamed and a new Latex code can be placed. The appropriate item can be directly edited edited by double clicking on them. Now we'll go to the text studio. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also comment and share. Go to option menu, configuring text studio. Here is on bottom is show advanced options. Okay, go to menus. On the top is our tools. For build view, its command is text double and backslash quick, and number two is compile, and is file bibliography glossary index, and commands you see that also commands available is latex, pdf latex, x latex, low latex, dvps, vs pdf, dv pdf, view dvi, view ps, and view pdf, bibtex 8-bit, beaver, make index, text nd, x index, and make glossaries, meta post, asymptote. And for users are also is temporary menu add here. And last one is view log. Number two is latex, in which you see that document class, use package, ams package, begin document, title, other, date, make title, table of contents, sectioning. In sectioning we see that r is a part, chapter, section, subsection, subsection, and paragraph, subparagraph, part, chapter. Also, yeah. In environment we see that there are many environments here. Begin environment, begin center, begin flush left, begin flush right, begin quote, begin quotation, begin verse, begin verb atom, begin table, and begin figure, begin title page, and list of environments are also in which is a begin atomize, begin enumerate, and on right sides are all its commands. Is a begin description, begin list, and item. No, is boxes, also boxes available here. Is m box, make box, f box, frame box, new save box, s box, save box, use box, raise box, pair box, begin mini page, rule. Font styles are also available here. Is emphasizes, backslash e, mph, italics, is backslash text I it, and slanted is text sl, boldface text bf, typewriter text tt, small caps text sc, sans serif text sf, and line backslash underline. And font sizes are also available here. It's tiny subscript size, footnote size, small, normal size, large, large, huge. Is a tabular environment or begun tabbing, begun tabular, multi-column, multi-row, high line, V line, C line. Vertical spacing are also available here is new page, backslash line break, backslash page break, backslash big scape, backslash mid scape, small scape, V space, and new line. Here is a international accents are also available. Import include files also available in which we see that include file include include only flush left include graphics and here is a review remarks are also available here is but one is T alert, number two is comment, T add, T remove, and backslash place, set region, set reviews on, and set view off. Here is a cross references are also available here, in which we see that cross references are label ref, equation ref, page ref, index, site, footnote, and last one is bibliography is bibliography style, bibliography, and bib resource. Here is a menu, play tables, and add magic. Come on, and comments. In math, we see that is dollar sign highline math mode, dollar sign, and latex inline math mode. In which we use is backslash small caps, small brackets, and display math mode is backslash square bracket, and as subscript is also uses, and superscript also use for fraction is fraction, for diffraction is this command is used, and square root left right and begun array, and in math and equations are also available in which we see that environment equation star ams math, environment line ams math, environment line ams math here is a package which is compulsory for compiling these environments is gather, multi-line, align at f-align, and gather, multi-line, guesses, split also available in math, and functions are also available, and these are trigonometric functions and they are inverse, and also is degree, determinant, invention, exponential, GCD, home, INF, Kir are also limits f, limits of in, log, max, minimum, maximum, minimum, secant, sine, hyperbolic, supremum, tan, hyperbolic. Math and functions are also available here, in which we see that these are environments in Corley and theorem, definition and theorem, example and theorem, new theorem, and stands for new theorem, and lemma also new theorem, proof also new theorem, proposition also new theorem, remark also new theorem, and theorem also in theorem. Math and font styles are also available as a Roman, backslash math rm or calibres for italic backslash math of it bold math of bold, sans serif is math of sf, typewriter is math of tt, and calligraphic is math of call, and blackboard is blackboard, bold, math, BB, and fractor is math. Fractor of SS is a math and stocking. Math and stocking symbols are backslash overline, backslash underline, overblaze, underbrace, over left arrow, over right arrow, stockler, overset, ms math package required, underset, ms math package required, set set, prescript, math tools are required. Here is a math essence also used here. As acute, grave, tiled, brawl, vector, hat, check, and brief, dot, and dd dot. Here is a math and spaces, in which you will see that our negative is backslash of, and also thin, medium, thick, inter, word, one chord, and two chords, all spacing. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. If you show them all, just click here and all commands and tools you are, tools it is here, show here. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.